We're in Jamaica, a land of sunshine, good vibes, and moves so hot they'll melt your stress away. Forget treadmills and boring squats, because we're about to unleash the ultimate fitness weapon, Dancehall. This ain't your mama's ballet class. Dancehall is raw, rhythmic, and explosive. It's about feeling the beat in your bones, letting your body take control, and shaking off the worries like sequins at a carnival. Every step, every whine, every drop is a workout for your body and your soul. But dancehall ain't just for Jamaica anymore. It's gone global, baby. From Tokyo studios to London parks, people are catching the fire, learning the moves, and getting fit while having a blast. And why not? It's a workout that's fun, accessible, and totally customizable. You can make it high intensity or low impact, solo or with your crew, in your living room or under the palm trees. So, want to swap the gym for the dance hall floor? We've got you covered. We'll hook you up with local instructors who will teach you the hottest moves. The bogle, the gully creeper, the butterfly, you name it. We'll throw down dance hall fitness challenges so you can test your skills and unleash your inner dance hall queen or king. And trust me, the results are real. Dancehall burns calories, builds muscle, improves coordination, and boosts your mood faster than a shot of rum punch. Plus, it's a community, a celebration of movement and self-expression. You'll find people of all ages, shapes, and sizes on the dance floor, all united by the rhythm and the joy of moving their bodies. So are you ready to get your sweat on Jamaican style? Ditch the dumbbells, grab your dancing shoes, and let the dance hall take over. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about feeling the music, expressing yourself, and having a damn good time. So turn up the heat, wind your waist, and let the rhythm rule your body. Before you go, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more.